in today's video, we're going to just do a little quick recap of some of the new features that are coming on TPT or already there. Last week's video, first of all, it was great to be live in the chat, and thank you those of you who came into the chat and we just chatted. That was wonderful. I think I'll do that again. Maybe I'll try and do it once a month. But even after that video, and some of your suggestions for what TPT should do were great. I came up with more and wrote them down because I think it was Rolling Acres Education brought up bundle options and made me think of discount options, such as giving buyers maybe a 10% discount if they buy 6 products or 5 products as opposed to, right, 1 or 2. Anyways, if you are new or returning, welcome. Here at It's All Primary We Talk Teachers Eye Hustles. First of all, if you receive TPT's newsletters, great, because you heard the big news. If you don't get on that, you can go to your profile and update your notifications, okay? But they are redoing school access. It's now going to be called School Express. And the biggest thing I saw on there, if you haven't read the email or go to the seller blog, they are going to have the prices the same. You are not going to get these deep discounts. Your whatever you set your price at is what they sell at. So right there, that was a great feature. They will be talking more about it on June 5th, Thursday, at the TPT Town Hall meeting. We got a Town Hall meeting, which means you'll be getting a Town Hall review shortly after that video, okay? And another thing, if you are thinking about going to TPT Forward, the price has now gone up to $299. That price on its own, if you live in Nashville, go. It's going to be more than worth $300. If those of us who are international, it's a bigger cost. One of these days I'll go. I really thought this year I was going to go. It's not going to happen. Maybe next year. We'll see where it is and how close it is to the end of school. That's always the other issue. One of the things I wanted to also recommend to you, TPT has webinars probably every month, maybe every couple weeks. They are worth attending. And if you go to the seller blog and go to webinars and events, I think it's called, they have the replays there. And the one that I thought was really good is the preparation for the TPT Sitewide Sale. It was too close to the Sitewide Sale for me to do anything about it, but between now, May 20th, May 22nd, somewhere in that, actually I think this goes live on the Saturday, which is the 24th, is it? Anyways, and this back to school site-wide sale in August is 12 weeks. Where have I heard that number before? 12 weeks. It is 12 weeks. What can you do in your business that would radically change your earnings or your views or engagement with your store, like where people are wish listing stuff and things like that? Wish listing, did I say? Wish listing. Okay, anyways. 12 weeks make a huge difference of concentrated effort. Even if you're in school right now, like I am, I'm in school all the way to the end of June. Even with that, you could do an awful lot in 12 weeks. And one of the things that I did, and I said this before when I did the video on ChatGPT. So I asked ChatGPT to give me a schedule, an outline of what I can do between now and August. So the site-wide sale in August is usually the first Tuesday, I want to say. The first Tuesday in August is the 5th. So I'm making a prediction that the site-wide sale will be August the 5th. It's usually a Tuesday, Wednesday. If that is the case, what can you do in your business to prepare for that site-wide sale? And I don't put goals on my site-wide sales because they're honestly hit and miss. The back-to-school site-wide sale is not usually my best sale. It does okay. but it's not my best. But at the same time, I don't send out emails during the site-wide sale. I don't have pins. I have not usually been, well, especially the last couple of years with my parents, I have not been active in my store over the summer. This is going to be the first summer that I plan to stay home. I'm going to make the big trip next summer, but I'm going to stay home this summer, and I'm actually going to make a concentrated effort, and I've already started the plan. Yay. Okay. What are you going to do? So if you had seen that video, I'll show you the thumbnail of the 12-week yearbook. I think, oh, it's just pouring rain. I was like, what is that sound? It's pouring rain. Now would be a good time to try it. 12 weeks of focus. Okay, and again, if you need some ideas, let me know down below in the comments, and maybe I'll make another quick video, what I asked ChatGPT, because, and mine will be different than yours because I'm dealing with YouTube channels and, right, multiple things. I've even added Pinterest. I've already been doing it. So, and if you're looking for some really good webinars to watch the ones that are on the seller blog. There's one on PowerPoint. There is one on preparing for a site-wide sale. There's one on product lines. There's one on simple marketing. I think there are close to 10. Can you see Milo in the picture? He's right here. Great information by some bigger sellers on TPT. Then there was one more thing I wanted to tell you, let you know. I'm going to put a screenshot right here. Boom is updated their deck editor. Okay, it looks cleaner, and I played with it a little bit already because it just started this week. In fact, a couple things I want to show you. I just mentioned how clean it was. They've made your accessibility tools. Boom requires them to be done, not on every single deck, but at least show a concentrated effort. But they've added this down here. So even though my text is over here because it's from the template card, so if I type this in the template card, the text which I added will be added over here. And when I change it, so this was a deck I started working, so this one here, I've changed this. When I changed the text, it moved, changed it over here. I don't know if I already had done that because I don't see anything else here. But the other thing they added is these grid lines. So you can click on here and they give you grid lines so you can, get things on a better situation as far as moving things around. But I like that. One of the things I noticed when I was doing one of these slides, the numbers actually turned over. So when I had a 3 here, when I moved to another slide and there was a 3 there, the 3 showed. I didn't have to change it. So I don't know if I've just got to do it a few more times and then this will pick up or not. Using the accessibility tools is a little easier, not a lot easier, but it's a little easier, and I will take it. Yeah? Would you take it too? So TPT is making concentrated effort to make some changes. Boom is making some changes. Let us now work on our stores and get them going. Okay. Rah. Yeah. So wherever you are in the world, I hope you and your family are staying safe, being healthy, and we'll catch you in that video or the playlist. See ya.